Have you ever wondered why aren't you doing everything but you are not growing? Seems like there's nothing that is going on. You are not getting the good results that you are supposed to be getting. You're not getting the amount of money you are supposed to be making. Well, if you are that somebody, or if you ever been that kind of a person, stick around, because I'm going to give you 5 tips that are going to help you to become super productive and make more money and become super successful faster than what you could actually be. So a lot of people, they actually know everything that they are supposed to do, but they are just not doing. And sometimes you find yourself doing everything, but you still are not growing, and you wonder what is really going on and what can I do so that I can actually grow and become a better person. You know that, okay, I'm supposed to do this, but you're just not doing that, simply because you are lacking either the inspiration or you are lacking something that might be stopping you from doing that. So let me tell you one thing. These are the things that are stopping you from growing and become a better person. Number one, you think you are not good enough, right? There are so many people that are doing so many things, yet they don't know that they are so good at those things. You know, some, they're actually afraid of doing some things. You know, have you ever felt like, okay, I need to push and go to the next level. I need to push and do this. This is exactly what I need to do. But you are just afraid because you have no idea that you are good at what you are supposed to do. And you have no idea that, you know, you can actually do it better than any other person, because God has gifted you with so many gifts that you might actually undermine yourself. So let me tell you one thing. Look at those things that you think that you are not good enough and tell yourself that I am good enough because all I need is within me now. You know, let me tell you another example. At some time, I created a product that I just kept in my computer. I edited everything and I didn't know what to do. And the product was selling at $6.5. That was the only product that was super expensive that I actually created. And it stayed there for almost 8 months. Right? That is stay there, and I was just modifying it, thinking that no man, this is not good enough, or I'm not good enough, I can't charge that much. I'm only used to charging $49, $99. I'm not good enough in charging such. And it stayed there for so many times. It stayed there for so many months. Until one day I said, no man, today I'm going to try my luck. Then I went there, I approached this person, and I saw them, and the person jumped immediately and bought, right? And the person, I put the person on payment plan of paying $2,000 once, upfront, and then $1,000 for the next for the next 3 months. And I said, for the next 4 months. I said, wow. This is amazing. I didn't know how I can actually do this. Then I become super afraid of selling it again. Then the person came with so many results and brought me 2 more people as well. I said, wow, yet I thought I was not good enough. So how many times have you thought of other stuff and say, no, I'm not good enough, and then you just stop growing simply because you are thinking that you are not good enough, right? How many? And then number 2 is, I'm not worthy. You are telling yourself that you are not worth it. How many of you, or how many of other people that you know, or how many times have you find yourself selling yourself short simply because you just don't believe in yourself? Well, I'm one kind of a person who had so much goals, yet I'm selling myself short. That would take me forever to reach such goals. And it becomes so difficult because you are pushing and pushing and doing so many stuff, thinking that, okay, this is gonna make me to get my goals. Yet you're just supposed to charge high so that you can be able to reach your goals faster. This was very, very difficult for me, and I know it's difficult for so many people. Maybe you as well. You are selling yourself short. You think that you are not worth it. Who is going to buy? Who is going to tell you? Who is going to listen to you? Hey, let me tell you one thing. I had speech impairment and I was not coming from any rich family. I made so many mistakes in my own life, in my own business, that was making me and people that was making me to believe that I'm not good enough, I'm not worth it, I am useless in this world. People won't listen to me because of the mistakes that I made. People won't listen to me because of the speech impairment. People won't listen to me because of who I am, because I am black, I'm young. That's what I always tell myself. And that hindered me from charging a lot. That hindered me from making money, from becoming successful. That hindered me from approaching people. That stopped me from growing as a person until I started loving myself and said, no more excuses for me, be it me or whatsoever. People who's gonna buy from me, they'll buy from me with my authenticity. And I started going out there with who I am. And guess what? It worked very well. And people listened to me, and the people were buying from me. Right now, I can gladly sell a product of $6.5 with ease, without wondering, without thinking twice or three times, simply because I know that people, they are buying me and my authenticity and the results that I produce. So why are you stopping yourself, thinking that you are not worth it? Number 3, lack of consistently growth. You know that as a person, you can't remain stagnant because you are either growing or you are dying. There is no neutral point. How many books have you read? How many inspirational movies have you watched? How many seminars have you attended? What are you doing that is making you grow as a person every day? What are you doing that is making you grow as a person every day? Because if you are not doing anything, then you are dying. And if you are dying, then there is nothing that you are doing that is empowering you. So as a person, what is it that you can do? What is it that you are supposed to do as a person? What is it that you can do that can make you grow? Attend seminars, watch inspirational videos, read books, watch inspirational movies, watch documentaries that can make you grow. Socialize with people who are in your industry that are growing more faster than you. Do that every time as a person, right? Do that so you can constantly grow, because if you don't grow, then guess what? You are dying as a person. So I need you to grow every day so that you can be able to get the amount of results that you really want. Number 4, are you thinking that you are too educated? There are people who feel like, hey, I know it all. I don't need to know any other thing. And once you reach that state of thinking that you are full of I know, guess what? You will be too educated to learn new skills. You'll be too educated to grow. You'll be too educated to be told what to do. You'll be too educated to be criticized. You'll be too educated to read books, to go and attend seminars, to go and do something that can make you grow. And once you become that person, then you are dying, because you are not even stagnant, but you are dying because you think that I know it all and I am better. I am the best person at what I do, and you've got this ego. You just feel like there's no room for improvement. So that's one person that you don't need to become. We grow and learn every day as people, as business person, as people, as entrepreneurs. We grow every day by learning every day, because the world is evolving and changing every day. Like, for example, the moment you blink, every second there's thousands and thousands of content that is being uploaded online. There's thousands and thousands of logarithms of new things that are being introduced online. Applications, they are being uploaded online, and yet you still think that, okay, you have got it all, you know it all. Let me tell you one thing: if you don't grow, you will start dying. If you start dying, then you become a dead person. We've got so many graves that are walking graves. of people who are dead, who are not growing. And simply because they think that they are too educated. They have learned it all. They've reached the ceiling of everything. And once you do that, then you become somebody else who is not even good. Do you think that sometimes you are not educated enough? Then you just stop. Feel like this is for educated people. That's my key number 5. The other key that is stopping you from growing is because you think that you are not educated. You are a dumb person. Let me tell you one thing. If you are not educated, then you are the better person. There is a quote from Randall Bushen. He said that in times of crisis, educated people, they find themselves too equipped and ready to deal with the problems that doesn't exist anymore. And the people who are learning, who are unlearned people, they find themselves evolving and inheriting the earth simply because they are learning fast and then they are growing. Those are the unlearned people. So unlearned people, they have got a gap of learn because they think that they are dumb, and in their dumbness, guess what? They absorb, they actually sponge a lot of information that can help them grow. And so if you are not educated, then you are at the right point because you don't have to think twice and criticize much. Say, this goes against what I know, this goes against what I learned. You just accept the information and grow and jump with it. Once you are that person, then you're growing, and your growing capacity is gonna grow as well, and your thinking capacity is gonna grow as well. Your eager and your zeal to learn and become better is also gonna grow, and you become that kind of a person who can learn anything quicker and faster. And once you do that, you're going to get amazing results. And the key number 6 is you don't have guidance, you don't have accountability, you don't have coaches, you don't have mentors, people who can guide you to go further. I don't know how many mentors do I have. I don't know how many coaches do I have that are helping me to go and become a better person, that are helping me to actually grow and become a better person and change. They are guiding me. Do you have a coach? Do you have a coach? Do you have a mentor that can help you? Do you have somebody that you can talk to, that can guide you? Because if not, you need to find one that can help you as well. Because alone you can't. No man is an island. Alone you can't, but together we can. That is a very powerful talk. Alone you can't, but together we can. That is a very powerful tip. And right now, my parting words with you is, start doing what you know and improve what you know. Improve what you know and start doing what you know. Because so many people know everything. You know exactly what you're supposed to do, but you're just not doing it simply because you feel like I'm not equipped. You feel like I'm not good enough. You feel like this is not good. You feel like something else. So start doing what you know today and grow with it. Right? Start doing what you know right now and see if you can't be the right person. Let me just invite you to an amazing one-on-one coaching call with me. It's going to be completely free. Click the button below and see the amazing gift that I am giving you right now. So I want you to click on the link below and just register. Sign up for a free one-on-one coaching call with me. I'm gonna give it to you mahala, free. Mahala, it's free in our language. So just say, so just get that for free. Click the button below and schedule your next appointment in my calendar, next available, and I'm gonna help you to see what are on these 7. What is it that you are supposed to work on right now? What are some of the areas of your life you are supposed to start working on? What are areas of your business you need to start working on right now, and see if you can become a better person and grow with it. I can't wait to see you on a one-on-one coaching call with me. I can't wait to see you on that call. You just click the button below and sign up right now. I will see you there immediately. immediately after you do that. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next week again, as where I'm gonna give you some amazing tips as well. Please don't forget to subscribe and like many videos like this as well. See you next week.